Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we will see that what you need to work on right now. So there are 3 piles, you can choose any one of them. The first pile is this blue drum, second one is this pink one, last but not the least red drum. You can meditate on these drums and select one of them. Thank you so much. Hi, welcome back. Pile number 1, whomsoever has chosen this blue drum, let's check out what is there for you. Okay guys, so I hope you can see the cards. The cards are dreams, competition, energy, healing, spark, courage, 9 of swords, ace of pens, 10 of pens. Okay, so I can see over here that if you go with the sun signs, the sun signs I can see over here are Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is heavy on this reading. So what you need to work on right now. In the first place, dreams. The first card is dreams. So you need to work on your dreams. This lady is, lying over here and, looking at the sky and she's dreaming of something. So you need to work on your dreams, your goals. How you can achieve that? You can achieve that with a lot of courage. Okay, so you need to be courageous to complete your dreams. If you have a dream to buy a home, or if you have a dream that you wanted to become something in your life, so you need to work on your courage as well as dream. Whatever situation comes in your life, if you're going through hell, if you're going through a lot of problems, drama, narcissistic people, you're dealing with narcissistic people, you have to work on your dreams regardless of whatever is coming in your way. Okay, so the first message is that besides that, competition is there. A lot of people are jealous of you. A lot of people doesn't like you. They are in competition with you. I don't know for what. So you need to work on your courage and self-confidence. You have to show them that you are competitive in nature. You are somebody who can compete with yourself. You don't have to compete with other people. You can compete with yourself, your inner child. You can work on your inner child. Next card is 9 of swords. You are in this energy, 9 of swords energy. You are feeling depressed, you are feeling low, you are not able to sleep at night. Why? Because you are thinking so much. All these ravens are over here. They are in your thoughts. All these negative people, all these narcissistic men, women, all these narcissistic friends, family, anyone, okay, you are thinking about them all the time. You need to work on this. You need to come out of this negative thoughts. You need to come out of this, the ravens are above her head and trying to distract her to reach her dreams, reach her goals, okay, regardless of the gender. So you need to be courageous. You need to work on your self-confidence right now. You need to work on these things. Your running thoughts are the basic issue to achieve your dreams and goals. You should stop this running thoughts. How can you stop these running thoughts? You can work on these running thoughts by doing white light meditation, normal meditation. That is very important for you. It is possible that you might be dealing with a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius in the past, and that person has cheated on you, and you are always thinking about those people, your ex-partner, ex-lover, or anyone who have cheated on you. You're thinking about them, constantly thinking about your ex. You have to come out of this energy. Then only you can compete with yourself. You can achieve your dreams, your goals. Energy healing. Next card is energy healing. This energy healing can lead to your ace of pens. Particularly, I can see that you can do some Reiki healing for yourself. You can do meditation. You can do chakra healing meditation. Everything is there on YouTube. You can search it. You can go for that. So all your chakras can activate. You can feel a little bit lighter, okay, so that you can reach your goals. That is ace of pens. You can work on your pens. You are in this energy. You have to come out from this energy to this energy. Whoever has done wrong with you, just forget them, just forgive them, and then work on your pens. That is very important. As I can see over here that a new opportunity is coming towards you. It can be a partnership, it can be a new job opportunity, or you can move in somewhere else wherein you can earn more money. You can join a new office or somewhere where you can get more, raise in your money. Okay, so first of all, you need to heal yourself. Keep on doing meditation in the morning and evening. That is very important for you. Then only you can achieve this Ace of Pens. You need to work on healing your full body, and you can go for a salt water bath and rose petal water bath. You can do that. It will give you a lot of healing. Next is spark. Even though you are in this energy, you have that spark. You can work on your 10 of Pens. If you are going through a divorce, for example, if a lot of people are going through a divorce, they should leave them. Just leave them and work on your dreams. Don't think about these people. Don't think about your whatever is happening. That is all a learning. You need to learn that. Then only you can rise and shine in your life. You have that spark. If you are a violin artist or you are a guitar artist, you can go ahead with that. 34 could be your age. This could be your partner's age, whom you are dealing with. Maybe it is a failed marriage. You are not happy in this marriage. You wanted to come out of this marriage. You can do it, definitely. After healing, you can do it. If you are a single parent, definitely there is, a new start, a new beginning in your life which is coming your way. So you need to work on, if you have some family problems, family issues, motherly issues, fatherly issues, you can speak to your mother and father. You can sit with them and discuss with them what you need to do. You have the spark, you have everything, but you are in this state of mind. You have to come out of this state of mind. Then only you can work on your pens. You can work on a new marriage. You can, look for another, partner in your life. You can get married again if you are going through a divorce. You're going through a lot of problem. You have the spark, you have everything. You can come out of it. Okay guys, and these are the things you need to work right now. If you have any issues with your parents, you can discuss with them. You can talk to them. If you have cousins, you can discuss with them. If you think that you don't have anyone, you can speak to any of the healers. They can heal you, they can tell you, they can guide you in a certain way so that you can come out of this negative energy. If you think that somebody has cheated on you in the past, or they have told you that they will marry you and they just backed out, you have to come out of this energy. You have to work on your dreams right now. You have to compete with yourself. Keep on working on yourself. Then this pen can come towards you. This 10 of Pens can come towards you. There is marriage, there is second marriage for you, there is a new partnership for you, new partner for you in future. Okay, so these are the things. I hope you like it. If you like it, please hit a thumbs up on my video and please subscribe to my channel. If you need a personal reading, definitely you can contact me through email, WhatsApp. Everything is mentioned in the below description box. Thank you so much. Let's us up to pile number 2. Hello, welcome back, pile number 2. Whoever has chosen this pink drum, let's see what is there for you. Okay, the first card is courage, letting go, light and love, Ori desert, illumination, 10 of swords, 10 of wands, empress. Most of the people I can see over here are single parents. Okay, single mother, single father, something like that. And Capricorn could be there in your moons, heavy moon, 7th house, and Aries, Leo, Sag and Libra, Gemini, Aquarius is heavy on this reading, guys. Okay, this could be your sun sign. Okay, so in this case, basically I can see that most of the people are in their thoughts. They are cheated by somebody. Somebody has cheated on you so bad. Somebody has put a lot of responsibility on you as a single parent, something like that. That is just a channel message, and you are working on your dreams. The first thing you need to work is that courage. Okay, so you need to be courageous first of all. If you keep on thinking that you cannot do anything, you are a woman, you are a man, you cannot do anything in your life, but you need to keep on working on your courage. You need to be courageous like a lion. Can you see his eyes? It is like goal driven. You have a goal, you have a purpose on this earth. Almighty has sent you in this earth to do something. So you need to be courageous. You need to work on your courage. Your sun sign could be Leo. That is just a channel message. Keep on working on your courage. That is the problem. You might be a little bit shy. You might be having communication issues. You cannot speak in front of a lot of people. So what you need to do? You need to work on your courage. That is very important. Next is letting go. You need to let go of these people. Whomsoever is this, I don't know, this can be a lover, this can be a married partner of yours, this can be your past, this can be you're dating somebody for 1.5 years, 2 years. You have to let go of these people. You need to learn that. How will you learn that? Once you start doing meditation, definitely you can let go of these people who are always constantly on your mind, who are constantly speaking to you, who are always speaking on your ear that they are there, but they already left. So you need to also let go of these people who have cheated you, who have backstabbed you, who are always on your thoughts, who are making your life hell. In short, you are, always tensed, always in tension, always in, some other world. People are talking in front of you, you are thinking about something else. That is the blockage. That is the blockage. You need to work on how to let go of people. How you can do that? With meditation, with chakra healing, with Reiki healing. You can let go of these kind of people who have cheated on you, who never cared for you. That is very important. Next card is Love and Light. You can become most of the people can become a healer over here. If you think that you have, let go of these people and, you have worked on yourself, definitely you can give your light and love to a lot of people in the world. You can start your own business, something like that. Your purpose is basically giving divine light to a lot of people. So you have a purpose over here. That is why you are coming out of a failed marriage or failed relationship, wherein you have motherly issues. Some of the people, you have motherly issues. Your mother can be a narcissistic person who never cared for you, who is always yelling on you, who is beating you, something like that. That is just a channel message. So you have to come out of this 10 of Wands energy. Somebody is putting a lot of responsibilities on you, and you are like, you're sort of always, confused, a lot of burdened, always in this burden energy. If you will still be in this energy, you cannot be courageous. You cannot have illumination in your life. You'll always be standing alone like this. You have to come out of this energy. 31 could be your age. So put down these, wands or these baggages, a little bit, and just relax. Have a glass of water. Your purpose is to bring light to a lot of people, light and love in the world. You need to heal a lot of people. You can go and start learning, Reiki and all that. And you can, heal yourself as well. With this desert, you are standing alone. You think that nobody will support you. Nothing will come into your life. You will always be burdened. Your life is like a burden to you. You can be pregnant right now, and that person has left you. That person left out you in the cold. You are an empress. But you have to come out of this state. You are an inspiration and truth to a lot of people. You are adaptable. You are a beautiful lady. You can see beautiful man. Life will give you a lot of opportunities in the future, as I can see over here with this Empress card also. If you feel that you are not getting pregnant, and you want a baby and nothing is happening, that can also come into fruition. You feel that, your life is like an endless journey. So you have to, your life is like dry, hot, lifeless. Everybody has cheated on you. You are so burdened. You have a lot of responsibilities. This card reminds you of what? It tells you that, there will be harsher circumstances in your life, but you have to come out of that. You have to, conserve your energy. You have to let go this, bad energy from your life. So you have to move away from your past, and you have to choose your your work. You have to discover your answers deep within you. How can it be possible when you will come out of this energy, this negative energy, this negative people who are around you, whom you are surrounded with? You have to come out of that. This is the most productive time with the Empress card. You can start your business. You can do a startup for yourself. Go for your oils and all that. You can start your Etsy shop, something like that. Okay, this is, you have to come out of this energy. With the Empress, a lot of people are, pregnant over here, and single parent, single mother, single father. So you need to nurture this. Okay, a lot of people are going to become mothers, so you have to be, you know, patient with yourself. Believe in yourself. First of all, believe in yourself. You can achieve everything in your life. Illumination, new start is coming in your life. Can you see that? It is so beautiful. You could be moving to some other place also. You're looking for places and you're not finalizing it because you're looking for a peaceful place wherein you can stay with your kid, something like that. So illumination is like a new life. You're getting a new life. You're bringing a new life into this earth. So this is possible, but you need to work on your courage. You need to let go of the past. You need to come out of that responsible state of mind that you are responsible for everything. You deserve everything in this earth. Okay, if you like this reading, please hit a thumbs up on my video and please subscribe to my channel. If you need a personal reading, definitely you can contact me through email, WhatsApp. Everything is mentioned in the below description box. Thank you so much. Let's us up to pile number 3. Hello, welcome back. Pile number 3. Whomsoever has chosen this red drum, let's see what is there for you. Okay guys, so these are your cards as you can see over here. New beginning, friendship, sensitivity, trust, golden palace, the wheel, 4 of pens, 10 of cups. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Leo, Aquarius, Taurus, Scorpio are heavy on this reading. Fixed modality signs are over here. Okay, new beginnings. So what you need to work on? You need to first of all work on your sensitivity. The first thing is that I can see over here is sensitivity. So you are very emotional person. For that you need to work with the, you know, crystals. You need to work with crystal wands. You need to work with, you know, a lot of children also that can, you know, help you to come out of this sensitivity. You are more sensitive. You cannot, you know, listen to people's drama, negativity. You start crying all the time. You have to work on that. How it is possible? That can be possible only when you become strong. You can work with, you know, a little bit, you know, crystal wands or crystals. You can keep it with you. It will help you. You can meditate with those things. Then you can come out of this sensitivity. You can meditate. You can do normal, you know, third eye chakra meditation. That is very helpful for you, that you can come out of this, you know, sensitivity. The more you are sensitive, you know, people will pull you down. Lot of people will pull you down. You have to come out of this energy. You are stuck in a karmic relationship. That is the problem. Come out of it. This will not serve you anything. T-A-R-O. Tarot. But this can be your initials or this could be your person's initials, something like that. You have to transform yourself. You have to leave this wheel. You have to close this cycle. Once you close this cycle, you can be in a 10 of cups energy. You are still in that past. You're still giving them chances. There is no use of that. You have to make changes in your life. You're very sensitive. Next is you have to trust your intuitions. You need to trust that new beginnings will come. You need to work on this. You need to trust the process of divine. You need to trust Almighty. You need to trust, you know, your spirit guides, your angels, anyone. If you believe in, you know, Bible, if you believe in, you know, Jesus, if you believe in Mother Mary, you have to believe, you have to trust the process that everything will come to fruition once you work on your sensitivity. Sensitivity is the basic problem over here, as I can see. Most of the people are holding on to the past with the Wheel of Fortune and 4 of Pens. You're holding on to your past. You have to let go of this. Let go of those people who are hurting you, who are, you know, this person, if you are dealing with a karmic, this person is very money minded. Whomsoever you are dealing with, 4 of Pens, this person wanted to control everything. This person wanted to control your life. That is not possible. Something else is there for you in your life, in your future. 10 of Cups. Okay, if you are in a same-sex relationship, definitely are going to meet your partner very soon, within 10 months, and you can adopt 2 kids as well, a boy and a girl. If you think that you will not have kids, you will not have a, you know, marriage in future, it is there. Okay, if at all you are dealing with a karmic, you have a, you know, good life ahead in your life. Okay, 1010 number you will see in your mobile, 0101 or 1001. This also, you know, these numbers can be prominent to you because angels are with you. Okay, so completion is there. completion is there with your past, and a new beginning is there. Next is friendship. So if you have issues with your friends, you can talk to them, or if you wanted to spend some time with your friends, that will be good for you. Okay, it will work on your sensitivity, it will work on your emotional issues. You will get some emotional balance, okay, with friendship. Make new friends online. Leave those old habits, leave those old mentality that you cannot date anyone, you cannot speak to anyone online. You can do that with the friendship card. Nurture your friendship with your family, with your friends, with your cousins, everyone. Okay guys, next is new beginning. So I can see over here you could have a new beginning in your future. Okay, you need to work on this new beginning, you need to work on this golden palace. This could be your dream, that you wanted to own a house, you wanted to build a palace for you. That is possible. That is possible if you work on your new beginning, if you work on your sensitivity. You being a hell emotional, that will not give you anything. You will never be able to achieve this golden palace. In brief, you need to work on your sensitivity, you need to be bold, you need to be stronger. If you are aggressive, work on that by healing, by buying crystals, keep it with yourself, meditate with those crystals. Definitely you will come out of this energy, you will come out of this karmic relationship with anyone, karmic relationship with your family, with your friends, with your spouse, anyone. You can come out of that. You need to build your golden palace. You wanted to buy this house. 23 could be your birthday, this could be your person's birthday, that's possible. 3 or 2 could be prominent for you. New beginnings are there in your life, so you need to work on this new beginning. You have to achieve this golden palace, or you can buy a lot of gold. That is also possible. That is just a channel message. So these are the things you need to work on right now. Once you do, you can achieve this palace for you. This is your palace. You can achieve this 10 of cups. You can be content. All the cups are filled with water. You can be content. You can have a very good firm foundation for you. You can meet your life partner. If you work on your sensitivity, if you work on your karmic relationship, if you work on your friendship, if you trust the process of Almighty Divine, everything will come into fruition. So keep on working on these things. Definitely these things will come towards you. Okay guys, so thank you so much. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please have a thumbs up on my video, and please subscribe to my channel. If you need a personal reading, definitely you can contact me through email, WhatsApp. Everything is mentioned in the below description box. Thank you so much. I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.